Good evening! How are we all today? Are we all well? Yeah! Fantastic. My name is Gareth, I'll be your tour guide for this evening. By show of hands, has anybody been on this Creek tour before?
Yeah, every year.
Fantastic. Well, I'm glad to have you back. For those who haven't, you're in for a treat. Today's tour lasts 7 hours, so I hope you've all cleared your diaries.
No, 6.
It's just a little joke, you know.
That's okay.
Fantastic.
I get you.
I was worried for a second. The platform that we're coming up to now is platform 15. This is where the notorious Sleeper Express departed in 1897 on what was to become her last ever journey. Exactly, bloody hell. The last ever passengers of the locomotive were bride and groom and all their wedding guests. Bride and groom and all their wedding guests never reached the ceremony. It was rather tragic, actually. Their bodies were all found in a nearby tar pit, and apparently mechanical fault led to the horrifying accident. But between you and me, there was another chap on the scene.
Oh yeah.
It was the conductor of the Sleeper Express itself.
It's not the conductor.
He hounded the bride with love
May for
letters,
a nationalised
and that's why most people think that the accident wasn't an accident. Do you see where this is going? Fantastic. Good to have you on board. You see, I think it was he, the conductor, who dragged their bodies to their oily graves that night. If you listen very, very carefully, you can still hear the oil dripping. Some people say that their spirits are still stuck in there, trapped in some sort of limbo. Ooh. Exactly. Ooh. As for the conductor himself, no trace was ever found of the man. I'm really sorry, ladies and gentlemen. We keep getting these 2 trespassers in restricted areas. I'm going to have to go and investigate that, but I'm not going to let that ruin the tour. Can you go through here for me?
That's meta. That's meta.
Go through here.
Oh man, thank you.
I will go and investigate, and I'll see you later.
Southwest train service to London Waterloo. 16. Keep out my asshole. Ah!
I was just and there's no tour guide with you. Good, because I'm your tour guide for now, and welcome to the tunnel part of your tour. Single file line, hands on shoulders. Don't go anywhere yet. I guess what got you this far is your fascination with the past. Inside, my associate will greet you at the heart of the tunnel. Do as he says. Don't break the chain. Go inside.
Eddie, mate. Are you even punching the guy in front? No.
Where are you, Ed?
Let's just walk. Hang on.
Oh, Jack! Someone's touching me! It's
You need to come this way with me. Everyone, quickly come this way. All the way in. That's it. Come all the way in, all the way along. That's it. Do not break the chain. Stay together. Stay together. Stay together. Do not break the chain. Keep coming. That's it. That's it. Are you the last one? Yes.
okay?
Right. We need to join together. Okay. Now we have to summon the bride. Now, if anyone can hear me, I want you to knock twice. Oh, bride, is that you?
Who's that?
Oh no. Conductor! No! You need to get out of here before he comes! Quickly! Oh no! He's coming down! No!